Car Story research indicates this vehicle as features also include keyless ignition, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, dual-pane panoramic sunroof. Stop by and take a look at the 2016 C-Class. Standing the test of time means never standing still. The C-Class is a stylish performer that embodies sophistication and intelligence. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, headlights auto off, mirror memory, security system, cruise control, trip computer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.